Hey, it's me. I'm JC, Jermaine JC. It's whatever to call me. And this is Hair Talk. From hair porn to hair talk. I think I may be changing this up. So real quickly, one more time, I'm JC, Jermaine JC. It is whatever to call me. And as y'all know, we do hair porn almost every Tuesday. And the last time you saw me was literally doing videos for my wash day. And it was great because you got to see a full wash day process. And my hair is in a different hairstyle even now. That one part was killing me. Just want y'all to know that. Hair talks to me is a great concept because we get to talk about whatever's going on. Now you have to give me more questions in the future and I will probably give you more of a reaction. But this one is going to be a little bit of a rant for this month because, no lie, there's sometimes I hate saying this. Having my hair being natural is fun. I love my hair. I love that my hair is natural. I love my curls. I love all of this. What I don't like is that the outside world sometimes says the craziest comments to me. And being natural or having natural texture hair, everyone literally wants to have an input on your hair. And I'm guilty of this too. I've seen people hair where they're like, I'm natural. And I'm like, oh wow, you always have it straight. Or, oh wow, you ever try something different? And I actually did such a bad thing to one person in particular. She loathed talking to me. Loathe means really detests talking to me. Because every time I saw her, I was like, oh, I like your hair. We're gonna try something different. And I really felt bad because I want to apologize to her a little bit too. But this happens to me all the time. My hair was shorter. Oh, your hair is, oh my God, look at your hair. This is the first comment, and it's like that. When I went full on natural for the first time, I still remember this, almost like it's yesterday. And my hair wasn't as curly as you see it now. My hair was transitioning, but it was my first time I was gonna be braid. I never wore my hair down a lot. My hair was just fully straight. So this first time I was like, I'm gonna embrace my curliness and stuff like that. And I just went for it. And this one lady looked at me and said, your hair look a mess. I was like, okay, but I like it. And I was your mother, I will tell you, cut your damn hair. And that right there was when she went left. Until this day, I still don't even really fool that person because one time you get this one comment with me, I don't deal with that. Any type of negativity, especially with someone's outer appearance, I don't really deal with. And someone's appearance on someone's hair, this is my crown, this is my glory. Like your crown is your glory, whether you're natural, whether you're not natural and you have your hair all the way straight, whether you wear weaves, wigs, whatever you choose to put upon your hair is your crown. Crown for the day, crown for a week, crown for the next 4 months, that's your choice. But don't let someone talk to you different, first and foremost. But I loathe, we're gonna call this part loathe. I loathe when people do this because literally my hair is my hair. I can't change that. I can make my hair straighter, that's fine, but I like my curls. I've had my hair straight since I was probably 12, all the way to 24. 25 or 20 up to 25 is when I really all right, we're changing stuff. We're just gonna stop a lot of stuff. We're doing something different, that kind of stuff. This isn't just about natural hair journey, but this is what it is. I'm almost 3 years natural as we speak. The weird part about it is that I hate when I loathe when people give me comments where it's like, oh, you should wear braids. Let me rock my curls. Or my curls are in braids. One dude is straight up someone said, I love when your hair's out. What? I can't protect the style now. My hair being twist. Oh my God, I don't like that. Ugh, change it up. It's in twist. Calm down. It's my hair. Calm it down. It's my hair. It's my choice of whatever I do with my own hair. And it's annoying when people say something like that because it's like, who are you again? I don't know you from where. I don't even know you that much to be talking about my own hair. This is my mane and tail, basically. This is my crown. Where you got yours? And it was right that most of the times dudes don't have no hair. They go to the barber shop every week, every 2 weeks. And those that do it, I commend you. You have a relationship with your barber that I would never understand. I don't even go to the barber for my beard no more. But I'm not saying a negative thing about going to a black-owned business and get your hair cut and you just, you know, all nice and tight. That's you, do you. But the weird part about it, as a natural, regardless of your growth or whatever you're in, like for my TAA people, you probably always look like, first 2 weeks, maybe when your hair was like, you shave all your hair off, or you have like a little bit like a 2-inch and you want to do everything to it. And after a week or two to let it go, people are like, oh my God, I wish you go back to you having to wait and pay. That's what I'm talking about. And like now I'm in year 3, my hair is like, it's curly like this now. And the reason why it's like this now is because I did a twist out. And you know, every type of hairstyle that you have your hair in potato style gives you different results for your curls. And my curls can stretch, you know. And sometimes you want to see your curls as well. I want to see my hair grow and flourish like you want yours. And the weird part about people, I always probably have the feeling that someone out there is like, but his hair is not growing. It is growing. It's actually growing more than you think it is. Because guess what? Don't ever forget, my hair is this long. Hold up, put the camera a little bit down. See, this is how long my hair is. And in case you're wondering, yeah, that's how long my hair really is. And you're like, oh, well, but was it that long before? Actually, no. Your hair literally, when you come to being natural, our hair naturally does not go down. It expands. Like, it does like a fro. If you blow your hair out and you have a fro, you literally, guess what happens? Your fro goes like, from like how this is to outward. So a big old outward, that's your fro. So really about this whole segment, I want you to understand this. It's annoying and it's a loathing experience being natural, because watch this, year 4 and my hair may get longer. And people are always like, oh my God, when your hair was shorter, it was sexier. Or, oh my God, you want to cut your hair again? I hate that the most. Like, why does it matter to you? It's not your hair. It's not your hair. And, I mean, there's things that you want to do to your hair that I might, oh, not me. No. To the left, all the way left. Or something like that. And the weird part about it is that we all have our own experiences. We all have our own go-to styles. Like I told you about your regimen. You have to do your own regimen. We all have our own experiences, but I promise you, you get this video out to 120 to every natural there is. We all experience this. Why is your curls not like no one else's? Oh my God, look at their hair. My hair is actually pretty curly, stuff like that. Some people don't like type 4 hair, who don't like their own hair. And I'm like, but it's your hair. It literally came out of your scalp. You should enjoy the hair that you have on your scalp more than anything else, because guess what? Your hair is beautiful. I know people out there probably like, people say my hair is always dirty, it looks dusty. It's your hair. And yeah, we loathe those comments. Loathe those comments. And you really want to correct them, but the ignorance is bliss. It's like everyone has that opinion like assholes. Yeah. And the real part about it, I don't want to keep going on about the things people do. I don't always want to correct people either. And it's like, until someone experiences their own natural hair or enjoy or embodies their own curly hair experience, their natural texture experience. Even people that have locks, I promise you, people get locks will always have people that look like I'm not gonna lie, I love getting locks. I love doing locks. It's such a beautiful process. But it's something that not everybody's gonna enjoy or even want to see or even experience. And it's like my curls, I promise you, there are like millions of people that have the same curls as me. But at the same time about it, half of them will not like their hair. Some of them want to straighten their hair because, oh, it's such a struggle. It's a struggle. They want to see the length. I get it. But that's the thing about us, is that we get to do that. That's the beauty of having a natural texture. I want you to always remember one thing. Being natural, the best thing about being natural, I'm no heat. And I don't use heat at all. But when you do, for that one time that you do out of a 2-year run, and you see your full length, that's the magic. And you wet your hair and it goes strong back up. That's the beauty of having natural hair. And not truly always manipulating it to look like something else. It's your choice. Your curls are always going to change. No curl is the same. Like, your hair is you, and your beauty is that. And yeah, this was a video about talking bad, people giving us bad things. But sometimes you really wanted to say, look, respect me. Respect my choice. Respect my curls. My curls didn't disrespect your little tight fade. My curls didn't respect your little wig. Just saying. That's what you want to say. I just, because I'm Southern, I want to tell you, I just like that bullying to say, thank you. But I like this right now. And that's the end of this video. If you want to see another hair porn video, go up here. If you want to see another one, go right here for my last comment leave. And we keep the conversation started, keep the conversation going. Because at the end of the day, that's what we're doing. Keep the conversation and uniting as people as possible. We're going to have people understand our curls rock all the time. Catch you later.